Señores, gracias. Un fuerte aplauso. Gracias.
Bonjour tout le monde. Good morning, everyone. Can I hear you? Hello, good morning. It's such a pleasure to be here today. C'est un grand plaisir pour nous la jodi. For everyone here this morning, we're here for a very great cause, and we want to thank all the partners, La Comunidad, Elliott, community growers, and National Electric, the city of Everett, and if I'm missing Luma, and if I'm missing any other partners, please let me know. It is a pleasure to be here with you today. I am Reverend Myrlande, DesRosiers, CEO of the Everett Haitian Community Center, and pastor of Hope and Dream Ministry. And it is, how many of you feel electrified this morning with all this diverse presentation? So, in essence, what we want to electrify means to put a line together, right? To put it together, to bring, things together, not only that can be enlightened, but it also is to function things through electrical energy. Electrify also means a power of electricity to electrify not only a spot, but a full village, or a full city, or a full state, or a full nation. But we have something different for you today, and we'll share with you. For those of you who've traveled a lot, like myself, you will realize the importance of this today. The importance of electrifying Everett, electrifying our country, the importance. You need to know that in a lot of major cities and towns in Europe, people, you would not believe that, not third world, are scared about being able to get energy for electricity and for heat during the winter. So we are in the United States, we are very, very blessed. And we're very blessed that we are part of this initiative to save energy. Do you feel blessed and privileged? Yes. Yes, so that's why we have to come together to do this. And so right now, the Everett Haitian Community Center is bringing to you one of our team members who will now help you electrify yourself, bring some energy into the body, right? Because we're also about health and wellness. And so she introduces you to a cultural piece. It's going to be in two parts. The first part, she's just going to perform, right? Her name is Myrlande Dabel. She's going to do a part for you where she's going to perform. And to give you a description of this, it is called the music is Grand Bois. In rough translation, it means, big, big wood, okay? However, what it means, it's Grand Bois, is a music that describes the passage, courage, and endurance. The choreography is based on Haitian culture and contemporary dance, which is a free dance that allows you to express your feelings. So if you feel energized, express it, right? As she performs. If you feel, well, we hope you feel energized, not anything else. So just have fun today, relax, and enjoy this performance. And then she'll have a second performance where you will participate, and I will introduce that as well. But for now, we are asking you to give an applaud and welcome our young people here. Come here, give an applaud, and who's going to perform for you, Gabla.